Your next car could be the 2026 Cadillac XT5. The XT5 crossover delivers the sophistication and amenities of a premium luxury automobile and the rugged versatility of a can-do SUV. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, navigation system, 4-cylinder engine, heated mirrors, power liftgate, satellite radio. Drive an automobile that can give you everything and handle anything. The XT5 crossover.